Look at that beautiful nose. Look at the little mark here. Isn't that cute? She's got the cutest little pink thing on her nose. Hey, come back here. I'm filming you. Get back here. Come here, don't be shy. Come on. Oh, come on. Come back over here. Let everybody see your nose. Oh, so cute and furry. And look at those eyes. Zulu, come here. Look into my eye. Whoa. And this little guy over here is sound asleep. Oh no, he's not. His eyes are open. Anyway, that's what's going on right now. First thing in the morning, this fine Thursday. We got one Basenji over here, one Basenji over there. We got a little cup of coffee going on. So we got coffee and Basenji. It's a good start for the day. It's kind of a wet, gray day out there today. The kind of day where the sun's not shining. We just heard some thunder. Ugh. So what do you think, Zinga? I know you're cat-like, but I need to take you guys for a walk, so even though it's wet out, we gotta do it anyway. All right, Zulu, let's get this walk done. All right, time for a little walk. Thankfully, it's not raining, right, girl? What's that? Looks like we made it back just in time. Of course, I don't know how I'm gonna walk you now, Zinga, because it's raining. And you don't like to walk in the rain because you're a Basenji, which equates to cat dog. But that's okay. We'll get you out there as soon as the rain stops again, okay, bud? Yeah. Yeah. You're such a good boy. Zinga, come on, buddy. Come on, let's go outside. Okay, now I gotta tell you, it is raining out there a little bit, okay? And I know you hate water, but we gotta get the business done, so let's go do this. Come on, buddy. Let's go do this. Come on. Come on, Bubba. Come on, I know you don't like it when it's raining. I don't either, but let's go. Come on. Come on, buddy. Good boy. Come on, buddy. Let's go. And here we are a little bit later in the day, and it's still rainy. And that means that doggies can't go outside. All we can do is lay around today. I would play with you guys, but I'm busy working. Sorry. Zinga's curled up here on the bed, sleeping too. Yeah, maybe after lunch we'll get a toy out and we'll entertain you. Because it's no fun when you can't go outside and play, huh? All right, guys, who wants cucumber? I knew you'd come running. You want some cucumber, buddy? All right, let's get some cucumber. All right, you guys are both here now. Let's get some cucumber. All right, guys, I'm gonna give you a little QQ, okay? Sit. Gentle. Ow, that was not gentle. So enthusiastic. Yeah, you're gentle. Yeah, you never hit me. Gentle. That's better. And, oh, careful. Even if she goes aggressively, she's still gentle. Ow, not him so much. Ouch. Zinga, sit. Sit. Baby bird, gentle. Oh man, he's just not in a gentle mood today. Guess who's getting their cucumber in their bowl? You are. Someone's ready. Okay, here you go. Now, go over here. No, you get over there. Go on, I'm gonna give it to you. Okay, here we go, Zanj. Ready? Here's yours. There you go. Are you done already? You too? Man, you guys eat fast. Well, that's your little snack for the day. And as we can see, it is a miserable day outside. All wet. Too wet for the Basenjis. They do not want to go out there. So, back to sleep you go, I guess. What else can we do, right? Sometimes it's like that. I was really hoping we'd get to go out and enjoy the sun today, but the sun must be on vacation today. What do you think, guys? Is it time to go outside now? Maybe? It's still a little wet, but it's not raining. So let's see if they'll go outside. Go, go, go. Yes, they will. They're very, very happy to be outside. Still kind of a gray day, but it's not raining and that's good. So we can get some outdoor time. Go, go, go. Go see the outside world. Don't fall in the hole. All right. So as you can see, it's a very quiet day. There's not a wisp of wind out here. The pool's flat as can be. I'm gonna walk over here real quick and check on my mint and basil. Look at all that mint and all that basil. Yum. And then over here, finally got some stuff in the ground. We got some jalapenos and some chili peppers and more jalapenos and some Thai basil. So good stuff. And that is what's going on at the moment. A relatively quiet day around the house, but at least we finally got out here. Yay! So I'm just going to leave the dogs out here for a little bit to get some fresh air and sniff around, and we'll check in with them in a little bit. Well, guys, what's up? Yeah, it's the end of the day. And I got 2 hungry dogs staring me down. I think if I don't feed these guys pretty soon, they're gonna start nibbling on my ankles, and we don't want that. Let's get some food, guys. Who's hungry? Okay, guys, come on, let's go. Go, 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 go. Here we are, back to eating again, huh, guys? Yum! They love their food, that's for sure. They absolutely love their food. All right, time for a little evening walk now. Come on, guys. What do you guys see? What do you guys see, huh? What do you see?